Hi, I'm gonna show you how to model a timber frame from scratch to shop drawings. You don't need to have a prior knowledge of using SketchUp, but it would be better if you have. I recommend SketchUp tutorial made by Jake Dave Williams. One note, English is not my native language, so excuse me if I make some mistakes. So, when you open SketchUp, you'll see background similar to this. First, we'll adjust tools and commands that we are gonna use. We're gonna model in layers, so we have to turn them on. So to turn layers on, you right click on this gray area and turn layers. I have already turned them on, so they disappear from here. So to turn them back on, just click on layers. And we need layers in default tray, so go to Window, Default Tray, and select layers. So you see they disappeared. Window, Default Tray, and layers. So we have them here. Now we're gonna select the right template. If you didn't choose woodworking, you can choose that right now. So we can go to Window, Preferences, and then to Template. So I choose woodworking millimeters. If you use imperial measures, you can choose woodworking inches or also millimeters. So choose millimeters or inches woodworking. Okay. So we're gonna change units because I like to work with centimeters. To do that, you go to View, Animation, and Settings. Then go to Units and change them to centimeters if you like, if you prefer. So you can change them here. You can set the precision. I set it to 1 decimal point, and that's it. You can also change that in Window, Model Info, and there you have units. Okay, so we can save this template to have it as default if you change units to centimeters by going to File, Save as Template, and rename it, for example, for woodworking centimeters. But I'm not gonna do that now. Now we're gonna install timber frame extension made by Clark Bremer. I wanna thank him because he made a great extension for timber framing. To install it, you go to this icon, Extension Warehouse. So it's in this Getting Started toolbox. So click on this or go to Window and Extension Warehouse. Now type timber framing and press search. It will be the first one to appear, so timber framing extensions made by Daiku. So I already installed it, so I have uninstalled, but you will have install. So press install, and it's really easy. It's gonna install it immediately. To see if you install it, go to extension, and you will have TF rubies, and that's the timber framing extension. So for now we have made SketchUp as we wanted, and we are ready to model.